Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 15th of December. And first of all, national news. More than 1.16 lakh crore worth proceeds of crime has been attached by ED since 2014. Centers advised to job seekers abroad of fake offers amid rising fraud. Talks on over rules to seize electronic devices center to Supreme Court. First session of 16th Madhya Pradesh Assembly from December 18, new MLAs to take oath. Interest in moon not over. New target is to bring back rocks. ISRO chief. Delhi government released 535 crore to Jal board amid tussle over funds. And now some international news. Ukraine's denazification, demilitarization are Russia's goals. Putin. Centers advice to job seekers abroad of fake offers amid rising fraud. The Russian president held an event called Direct Line with Vladimir Putin. Norovirus cases rose in UK, more than 1,500 infected. Satellite has measured the thickness of the world's biggest iceberg, A23A. Biden wants to stop him, Elon Musk's mother, after Starlink loses government subsidy. Now, some sports news. Karnataka's Shubh Satish made seamless transition from domestic to international cricket. Second time in 88 years, Indian women's cricket team achieved rare feat. Big blow for India as star pacers' chances to play against South Africa look dim, a report said. Business related news. Market rally yet to see participation from large cap stocks, experts said. WPI wholesale prices rose for the first time in 8 months. Federal Reserve may start cutting rates by March or June, analyst. Israel's Elbit Systems bought 447 stake in Adani Defense Unit. SBI acquired 6.357 stake in Canpack Trends. Warburg Creation Investment sold 10.27 stake in Fusion Microfinance for rupees 572 crore. Delhi High Court lifted restriction on use of make my trip keyword in Google Ads. And now science related news. Scientists combine lab grown brain tissues with computer test speech recognition. Supercomputer capable of mimicking human brain to be activated in 2024. Space watchdogs are on high alert. NASA has been tracking four asteroids that were recently or in a day will be zipped by Earth. And that's all in news. Thank you.